Hi guys, this is my first time doing a troll lobby. Let's see what's wrong here. It says the red is, look carefully. Oh, I thought it said red. Oh, I think there's something on the sides, all the red, I think. I don't know. Yeah, thank you, for already 3 or 2 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to not 600,000 actually, 100,000. There we go, we hit the nice floor there. I'll just all go for the pink, so we're gonna go for the pink here. That's correct. But I really want to get to 100,000. I really want a play button. Like, not one, but I really would like one. It would just look so good in my decor. I really hope we can get this video to at least 1,000 views and hopefully gain like 100 subscribers off of it. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Goodbye.